Hi friends, welcome to Kaushi's Adda. Today's recipe is a very famous South Indian breakfast, puri and potato masala. Let's start making the dough for the puris. To make the dough, take 3 cups of whole wheat flour and add a tablespoon of semolina. By adding semolina, puris will get very nice color. And then add a tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil and mix everything well into the flour. Once everything is combined well, add sufficient water and make it into a soft dough. Now add a teaspoon of oil on top of the dough so that the top layer of the dough doesn't get dry. Once the oil is applied well onto the dough, leave the dough to rest for 30 minutes. Now let's start making the potato curry. For that, take a vessel and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and let the oil heat up. Once the oil is heated, add a tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and few curry leaves and fry them till the mustard seeds splutter and curry leaves are fried well. Now take 2 big onions, 5 green chilies and 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut everything lengthwise and add it to the tempering and mix it well. Now add a tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it well with the onions. After frying for 3-4 minutes, onions will become softened. Now add 3 medium boiled potatoes to the onions and mix it well. Once the onions and potatoes are mixed well, take a tablespoon of dried chickpea flour and add some water and make it into a thin paste. After we make the paste without any lumps, add it to the potato mixture and combine it well. Once the chickpea flour paste is mixed well with the potatoes and onions, keep frying for a couple of minutes so that the raw smell of the chickpea flour goes away. Once it's fried for 2 minutes, add water, 2 cups, and combine it well. Once everything is combined well, always keep the flame low so that the chickpea flour doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. If the flame is high, it will burn at the bottom. Now add a tablespoon of salt and mix well. Now cover the pan and keep the flame low and let it cook for 15 minutes. But don't forget to mix in between or else the chickpea flour will stick to the bottom of the pan. After about 15 minutes, if we take the lid and then check the curry, we can see a bit of oil floating on top of it. That is an indication that the curry is well cooked. Now add few coriander leaves and mix it well with the curry. That's it, the potato masala curry for the puri is ready. Now let's start making the puris. Let's mix the dough once again before making the small balls to roll out the puris. Once the dough is mixed well, make a small and equal sized balls to roll the puris. Here I am using a puri press to roll out the puris. If you don't have the puri press like I am using, you can always use the rolling pin and then roll out the puris. When you're rolling the puris, always add a bit of oil rather than using the dry flour. Now my equal sized balls are ready, so let's start making the puris. Now all the puris are rolled out, so let's start frying the puris. Now to fry the puris, let's heat up some oil. To check if the oil has reached the right temperature to fry the puris, take a small ball of the dough and add it to the oil. If it floats on top of the oil straight away, that means the oil is the right temperature. Now add the rolled puri to the oil and fry it on both the sides. It has to become light brown and it has to become fluffy. That is an indication that the puri is ready to come out of the oil. Now in the same way, fry all the remaining rolled out puris. Puri potato masala is ready. They are easy to make and very delicious. Thanks for watching. If you do like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel Kaushi's Atta. Thank you.